Good job. Cole, you watching? How many are you going to get down? Look. Look. Is that a strike?
I think so. Yeah.
Yay.
I'm sure you can make a vine with that one.
Cole, you got 8. Where's the ball? There it is.
Hey, another split.
Okay, another turn. One more time, Cole. One more time. Yeah. Nope, that's too heavy. There you go. That's your size.
This is too heavy.
Nope, it's perfect. It's just your size. Okay, now you got to go down the middle.
This one.
No, that's the wrong lane. Your lane's over here. Okay? There you go. Did you get any? Look. Did you get any? Look. Uh-oh. Look, look, look. Ah, bummer. Let's see who won the game.